Hi guys, it's a happy day, right Derek? Yeah, I'm unboxing my order from Beyond the Rack. Woohoo! It's a happy day today, Thursday, and I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys. So let's get started and see what I ordered from Beyond the Rack. It was actually on sale, and I was so happy that you know I found this because I've been wanting to have one of these, and it was like 40% off the original price. So when I open it, it comes with, oh, maybe I'll give this to you for, playing. Oh, look at that. They gave me samples, you guys. Oh, this is amazing. Tide Pods. Actually, I just bought a Tide Pod. Oh, this is for men. I'm gonna give this to the hubby. Oh my god, they gave me tons of things. Oh, Beyond the Rack with your compliments. Enjoy free samples. Thank you for your order. Thanks Beyond the Rack for all my samples. Oh, they gave me candy. I haven't tried this one. Lancaster. And my receipt. Bubble wrap. Here you go. Okay, so here's my order. It's so small. So I ordered the small Longchamp Pliage. Pliage. So this is the color. Hold on, you guys. This is the color. Oh, it's so perfect. It's like taupe color, like brown color. I expect to be more smaller than this because I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately about this purse. But you know what? It doesn't matter because it's not too small actually. So I'm just wondering if my iPhone 5 will fit in the pocket right here. Woo! Oh, Longchamp bag. So it said on the website that this is made in France. So let's see if it does made in France. So there's, yep, it's made in France. So it's like this thing here, like label. So yeah, there's the smaller, the mini one, the the smaller one, and I thought that it's gonna be that size, but when I checked the dimension on the website, it's the size that I'm expected anyways. So I want to try my iPhone 5. It's gonna fit. So this is my iPhone 5. It's a tad bit. Let's close it up. See if it's gonna close it up. You know what? It closed, so it's just, it does fit. So if I have iPhone 6, probably it's not gonna fit. Because I don't know, I think the iPhone 6 is a little bit taller, I'm not sure. But it does fit. See? It made the cut on my iPhone 5. So that's good. So I will use this and maybe make a what's in my Longchamp video. So what do you guys think? I don't know. So yeah, I'm happy with all the samples they gave me too. Like I didn't expect to give me like samples. Oh, that's a lot of samples. Seriously. Yeah, thanks Beyond the Rack. And it came so fast, like my order. So yeah, so they put it in, this is a taupe color, so I really love it. So I'm gonna try and fill this up with my wallet and stuff, and I'm gonna use this tonight. I'm gonna run some errands tonight, so I'm gonna use this tote, and yeah, I'm happy with it. So yeah, that's it guys, thanks for watching.